I cannot differ. I cannot be divergent with what they have said. They have really hit the nail at the head or on the head. They have said it by tracing the historical analysis of the symbols, including all the marks and everything. But the law aspect to it is that these symbols should be respected. They are, number one, marks of authority. An authority, that is the sovereignty of the nation. Go to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, especially Section 28. Chapter 2 of the Constitution, that is the directive principle of state policy. That chapter is a chapter that encompasses everything that Nigeria stands for in terms of governance and in terms of the citizenship. A citizen of the country has a duty as against the rights that he has. The right is far away at chapter 4. All your rights: right to life, right to freedom of association, right to speech, right to assembly, right to immovable property, etc. But that section 28, which I think the drafters of the Constitution are wise. When they are coming with the act promulgating the Constitution, they call it Act number 28. Meanwhile, they now come with the duties of the citizens in section 28. That duty says that a citizen of the country has a duty, especially 28.2, has a duty to respect national flag, national anthem, and the pledge. So that tells you that these flags have been brought into recognition of the law. And if something is recognized by the law, it means any violation against that thing
has consequences.
Has consequences. You have breached the law, and you must face the music. So what I'm saying is that Constitution, being the grand norm, the law of the land, and that is the law that brings birth to all other laws, has given us how that monument, how that symbol should be treated. Somebody told me that even when you want to desecrate, when you want to tear, or when you want to destroy any national flag, you must do it in accordance with the law. That is why you see them, when they are hoisting it, they hoist it, especially military, with respect, with dignity. When they are also dehoisting it, they do it with respect and dignity. They fold it, they keep it, that of the nation, that of the military, that of the armed forces. They will do it, they will give it to themselves. And you remember that any time we are doing inauguration, these are the things that they will give to the president. When they give it to the president, it means that he has the authority. That is why I will go to section 1 sub 2 of the Constitution that says that the Nigeria as a sovereign should not be, that power should not be taken in any way by anybody except in accordance with the Constitution. So if anything is done against the flag of a nation, that means that nation's sovereignty has been violated, has been trampled upon, has been threatened. And when it is threatened, then it becomes a treasonable felony. And that is the law about it.
You know, go ahead, please.
Yes, when you threaten,
that
you have it in section 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 of the criminal code applicable in the southern Nigeria, that says that anything that overhauls the president or sends any fear into the minds of the president or a governor of a state is an act that is treasonable. Anything that you also do by inviting either foreigners or people within to come and attack the sovereignty of Nigeria is also treason. So, and treason, we don't take it with levity. Is a very heinous act that warrant and attract what we call death penalty. So what I'm saying is this, that law, apart from what they have said, insofar Nigeria has recognized and taken this symbol as a symbol of authority and power, then anything violating or threatening that power is as good as threatening the
sovereignty of the country.
Yes.